Hello everyone, I know it's been a long time, but I'm finally back. We've had a very busy year, but we've just built our brand new demo van. This is part of our Cosmic Campervans and Campervan Components collaboration. So today I'm going to show you through exactly what we've done to this build. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning. It's the best van I've ever built and easily one of the best vans I've ever seen in my opinion. I know I'm a little bit biased, but I think you can all agree that it looks absolutely stunning. So today I'm going to show you through exactly what we've done, where you can source these parts on our website, for example, and obviously the quality of them all fitted. So to start off today, we're going to start with the exterior of this build, and this is built on a T6.1, it's a 150 DSG in Fortana Red. So on the front end, we've got some really nice upgraded headlights. These are also available on our website now as well. We've got the full Leighton Vans LVR front end, which is absolutely stunning. Absolutely makes the van in my opinion, so really happy with that. So thank you to the guys, especially Adam at Leighton Vans, for getting this sorted out for us. We've also then got the Navis bronze alloys. I think they're the Twin 5, but they look absolutely stunning with this colour scheme. And then we've got our Campervan Components roof on there as well, which is available on the website to purchase as a self-install kit if you do want to have something like this available. We've got our awning rail on the side as well. So this is for any kind of drive-away awning. This can be fitted at Cosmic Campervans whilst you wait in 30 minutes. We've got some great price on them at the moment, but do check our website and give us a call if you do want to have one of these fitted. We're really happy with these, and we've got lots of them in stock as well. So with the Navis twin alloys, I also wanted to pair them with a bit of a nice suspension setup. So I've gone for the Bilstein B14 Comforts. They've worked out really, really well, really comfortable. I love the ride on them. So yeah, really happy with that setup. And we've lowered it down to an adjustable and manageable height. And then we've also got some trapezoid sidebars on the side to kind of get that lower look as well. So that looks fantastic. So on the roof, we've got our Campervan Components roof as well, which is available to self-install. Just go to the website if you want to have one of these kits and deliver to your door. We've also done a full interior conversion on this. So literally every single thing that you've seen on this van, we've done ourselves here at Cosmic Campervans. So the interior install, we've got the rib bed and the front seats upholstered as well. We've got the nice new upgraded roof bed, which I'm really excited to show off today, which is the first time. We've got the upgraded steering wheel and the carbon fibre and red stitching, van shades all in red as well. So I've really tried to tie in all the colour schemes together into the Fortana Red paint work of the van, and I'm really happy with how this came out. So let's show you inside and show you how that came out. Okay, so the interior of this van, we've got a nice Corian worktop with the full units here. This is in the Santa Fe oak laminate. We've got a wine van shades, and they're repeated throughout the rest of the van as well. We've had the rib bed upholstered along with the front seats in real Napa leather as well, with the red stitching in the hexagon style. This is absolutely fantastic, really happy how these came out. So I opted for the rib 112 fixed in this one as well, worked really well with this setup. I'm quite happy with the fixed system. We've got the auto term planar heater as well, and they're available on our website as well at campervancomponents.com if you want to purchase those as a self-installer kit as well. So they're mounted underneath the van. We've also on this build gone for an underslung 75 litre water tank as well. So there's actually no water inside the van, it all comes from underneath, and it's really easy to fill up with a small hose pipe attachment on the inside as well. So that's all underneath there. We've gone for the Dometic CRX 50 fridge and the standard 2-burner hob and sink as well. It's all powered by a CBE PC 210 power management system, and we've got some light switches as well, which all work the small interior lights as well. Got a 240 volt setup and a USB charger. So also on this demo van build, we've gone for a lithium battery setup. So the lithium batteries are a little bit more expensive than the standard battery setups you get in your normal vans, but they make a massive difference in terms of the cycles and the longevity of them as well. So we wanted to go the extra mile and went for the lithium setup. So we've gone for the Victron lithium battery, and it's also being supported by a 250 watt solar panel on the roof as well. They're all available on our website as well to purchase. They'll also be installed as part of one of our installs at Cosmic Campervans. So this is the kind of standard setup you'll get inside a campervan conversion for VW T6.1 etc, but you can also have others such as U-shapes etc, but for this one we went for this kind of style of setup. So yeah, we're really happy how this came out. So a really exciting new thing that I've been able to kind of source and get set up for this van is the full Froley sprung roof bed. So a few comments from the customers have been that the roof beds are slightly bit uncomfortable for an extended period of nights of sleep, for example. So we looked for an alternative system, and the Froley system is fantastic. We've had to make a few modifications for this to work, but it works absolutely incredible. And it's in my opinion, I think it's the first time I've seen a fully sprung system on this type of pop-top roof available. So we're really happy how that came out. So I'm going to show you some footage of that in a second. And that comes with a full mattress as well. And this kit is available on the internet as well to purchase. So check out the website for that. So we're able to start offering these now fully fitted at Cosmic, and they make a massive difference on the night's sleep because you've got a full memory foam mattress on top of a sprung bed system. It comes in this kind of fabric style to finish off. The only limitation we found so far is that you can't have a covering panel, which you can do on the carpeted bed systems on this system. What you can do though is add one of our child safety nets to it. So they're available on campervancomponents.com to purchase. So if you've got kids, for example, you don't want them to fall out down the hatch, we've got these available on the website for you to purchase or be fitted by us as well. Okay, so the roof area carpeting option is an option that we offer as part of our pop-top installs. So if you're bringing your van to us and it's already been carpeted, for example, you have a roof installed, you'll need to opt for this option. Basically what this includes is the carpeting from this part all the way up to the top and the framework of the actual pop-top that we install. So we'll basically line it in either a smoke or anthracite carpet as close as we can to get it to match, and we'll carpet all the roof area of the area that we've installed in terms of the framework of the pop-top. So our lighting package includes a map light up on the top of the roof. It comes with 4 standard LED lights. These can be upgraded to touch lights if you do want them to be individually touched. At the moment they're just running off a single switch which turns on and off wherever you install it for you, and they are mounted into the side supports of the van. So for this one, because it's got a full conversion, we've gone for 3 on this side and none on this one because of the shelf. But if you want to, you have the standard operation is 2 on that side and 2 on this side as well to give you the down lights inside the van. The map light up in the top of the roof comes with 2 USB chargers built into it as well, so you can charge kids' iPhones or iPads, except for example up there, or your own phone for example at night. The lighting package can be wired up to your starter battery, for example, if you don't have a leisure battery. But if you do have a leisure battery and it's easy to access, we can wire it up to your leisure battery as well. So one of the new security systems that we're actually offering for your VW campervan is the Scorpion Track. Now, Scorpion approached us, they wanted to start installing this for them. They're a fantastic system. And basically how this works is there's 3 different levels for each price, for example, but we've gone for this one, for example, which is the S7 Plus. Now this gives you a key fob, which prevents your front key from being cloned, for example, because if this fob isn't present, then the vehicle won't start. A few different benefits for the Scorpion automotive system, and mostly is that you get 24/7 tracking, so there's always a team there tracking the vehicle's location. If there is any event of a theft, for example, they know exactly where it is and they can contact the police immediately for immediate recovery. These vans are very valuable. They're being targeted on a much higher basis than usual recently because of how much value goes into the conversion. So it's a really important thing. It's also fully FATCHM approved, for example, so if you want to bring your insurance costs down, they're really important and they can bring your cost down by having one of these fitted. If you do want to have one of these fitted, check out our website for the prices. They're really good and they're really happy with the service that I've received from them, and they can be fitted whilst you wait here, or we can send an installer out to your location as well. So as part of our flooring install, on this particular van we've gone for a wood safety outro style, so it is still outro but it's in a wood effect green, wood grain effect. We finish it off with a nice aluminium upstand at the end, and we've also got a nice PU rubber trim that goes around the perimeter of it to give you that extra professional finish as well. So on the van shades for this install, we've gone for the wine blind. These are mounted onto the back of the splashback of this particular set of units, and we've also gone for the tailgate and the behind the passenger door and sliding door as well. So these make a really good finish, really happy with them. They're probably one of my top 3 products for any campervan conversion because they just give you this final amazing finish. Just really nice and easy, not messing around with curtains, so really happy with them. So if you're interested in having any of this kind of work done to your campervan, then you can give us a call at Cosmic Campervans, drop us an email. We're happy to do anything that you require to your van. We do part builds, we do full builds, for example. If you've got a particular set of units that you'd like us to supply or have installed, for example, give us a call. We do diagnostic work as well, so if you've got a problem with your campervan, for example, you've got something faulty with your electrics or your water systems or anything like that, your pop-top roof, give us a call and see if we can help you out. We do part builds, as I just mentioned, so for if you want to have just the roof installed and some carpet lining or some windows, We don't sell you the full package. You tell us what you want, and we'll try to build you a nice inclusive package for your needs. We've also got our sister website now, which is campervancomponents.com. So any of these parts that you might find on here, you might want to check them out on there and have them delivered directly to your door to be installed by yourself. So thank you very much for watching this brief video. I hope you enjoyed it and the content that we're putting out at the moment. If you want to give us a follow on Facebook or Instagram, for example, drop us some comments. If you've got any questions about this build or anything that you'd like to know about potential future build for yourself, drop us a message. We're always on the end of the message for you, and we're happy to get in contact with you to help you out.